Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel Fubo TV subscription on desktop. First, you'll have to visit Fubo TV website on your browser. Then once you go to the home page, you will find here your profile icon on the top. Just click on this text, my profile. Then it will show you this small menu just to choose my account option. Then it will show you this page. You have to navigate to subscription and billing. Then it will show your current plan. You have to scroll down till you find this option right here, cancel subscription. Just click on cancel subscription, or you can also pause the subscription. By pausing your subscription, you will save all your recordings and personal settings, and you won't be charged up to 6 months. But here in my case, I will cancel subscription. So I'm going to click on this button. Then it will show you here the final page or the final step. Just all you need to do is to click on cancel subscription, and an email will be sent to you confirming your cancellation. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.